Hey guys, today we're going to do the recoil on a Honda lawnmower. This is model, what is it, hrr2163vxa. It's a Honda quadra cut system lawnmower. This one's about done. It's got rust holes popping through everywhere, but he's going to try to get one more year out of it. So yeah, 10 millimeters. Oh, by the way, any of the parts I use for this, I'll put in the description below. You can get the whole recoil where you don't even have to put the rope in yourself for cheap. I'll put that in there. Pull rope obviously is even cheaper. There's a whole setup that Briggs has with the handle that's like super cheap. I'll put it in the description below. If this helps you in any way, click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, 3 10 millimeter nuts, pop them off. The first two came out fine. This one is turning the whole thing, so don't worry if that happens. Just keep turning until it comes up. You're going to pull the stud and everything out. Not a big deal. He unscrewed the whole stud out of there. This one's got like a 10 millimeter in the back. You use a 10 millimeter wrench and you hold this stud and turn the nut. Some of them don't have that 10 millimeter in the back, so you would just grab like the shaft or this big piece with vice grips. Just click them down hard and then break that nut free. Once you get the stud out, the little flat side guy here down, nut the stud side up. You're going to tighten that back down. Use your 10 millimeter wrench. You just tighten that bugger down. She's a pain in the butt, but Jesus, man. Just tighten it down. I'll make sure you still got these spacers stuck in. They're stuck in from the bottom. Make sure they didn't fall out. Sometimes they fall out of the studs. And then you set this gas tank right back on, and that's ready to go. Now we're back to the recoil like we're supposed to be. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this rope out of there. You just find the end, pull it out, and pull it all out. Something I do, I trim this piece right here out with one-sided cutting pliers. It's literally just in the way. I've never had an issue with cutting it out, but it gets this thing right out of the way. Now you can get to the piece of rope that's kind of loose in there. Get it pulled out. And just pull it all out. Put it all the way out like that. Just go ahead and cut the rope. And then just grab this knot and pull it out. And then you slowly release this. You don't want it to snap back hard on the spring or it'll come disconnected, and we don't want it to disconnect from the spring or we'll have to tear it all the way apart. Alright, then we get the new rope. We're going to take a lighter and we're going to heat the end of this up and then just pull it like this to a point. Don't get it to where it's bubbling and boiling or it'll burn your fingers. Just get it warm where it kind of starts to singe a little bit and it'll pull right to a sharp point. Just like that. This is a nice little point. Now we're going to line up this hole right here with that hole. See, there's the hole right there and that hole. I'm going to shove this line through this hole. Sorry. Through this hole and then through that other hole. I need 2 hands to do this. I need 2 hands to do this. But you're going to go right through both holes. That, then you're going to tie a simple knot in this rope right here. Simple knot. That, and pull the rope back through until it's all nice and tucked away. And that little hole right there. Here's another reason I did that rope like that. Now you can, old rope. Now you can grab it with the needle nose easy. Make a loop. And go counterclockwise with this loop. Like this. 1, 2. We're going to do 2 more total. Then we're going to pull this rope back through. Out like that, and then slowly release it. Don't go fast because you don't want it to snap back on the end of that spring again. Well, this one needs a little oil. And then we're going to pull it back into the loop again, and we're going to go one more wrap. Pull the loop out again, and just pull it out like, so, and release it slowly. All right, we're going to oil this thing up. Where you're going to oil is right here where the spring is. You got to get the oil in there. See? I use diesel fuel. You can use PB Blaster, whatever you want. Oil touched it, the recoil snapped too, and all the rope went right inside of it like it's supposed to. All the tension off of it. We need to have the rope go up the handles to this guy here. So we're going to cut, a length of rope off right about here. Just, it's got to go from here to here, not far. So we're going to do about a 1.5 to 2 feet. Cut it off. You put the rope through the handle. This is a different kind of handle. Usually it's a handle like something like that. You just put the rope through the handle and tie a simple knot like this. Then we're going to go ahead and put this recoil back on. You see it just kind of sits over the little spacers there. 10 millimeters, 3 of them. Pop them back on. Pull the handle up and slide it into that loop. Rope like this and pull it in. She's ready. Alright guys, that's it. If that helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put a whole new recoil in the description in case you got a bad spring or anything like that. And I'll put the rope in the description below as well. Just click the link. If you're on your mobile device, there's a down arrow next to the title on the right hand side. Click that and that brings the description. It'll give you the links. Alright guys, thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. Be more than happy to have you. Peace.